Welcome back to the Delprat Family Vlog. Today we're actually in Binlas district. This is like between Linstead and Yuatan. We're at a jerk center, right? I actually met this thing, met my book at the place here some time ago, right? And trust me, this place is like so underrated. The jerk is excellent, right? They actually do the jerk, the chicken, the pork, all of the meat, and over open flame. Them do like crushed plantain and
fried sweet potato, which I like, and festival. So let's see what's going on.
Yeah, this place is on the main road. As I said, between Linstead and Yuatan. Right? These days, a lot of persons when they are traveling to the north coast, they would have more drive the highway side, but you know. You must have set up a harnessing station here on the outside, which is very good. Considering the times that we're living in now, you know. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for stuff to kind of clear up. We can go in and make our order. You know, very, very excited today. Yeah, you can't see our smile, but from from ear to ear, I can tell you, it's kind of hide under the mask right now. One bag. One bag. Until the applicant has received authorization from the government is to complete the application process on the immigration portal of the website jericho.gov.kl. Yeah man, and the bombing. Potato alone in the house today?
And bami.
Potato and bami?
Yes.
Alright. Now I want 2 of the bami, please.
Okay.
I want 2 of the bami. The amount of food on the grill is downsized now because of the pandemic. So they basically have less customers, so they have to, you know, them cook less based on the demand, you know, right now. This pepper sauce is like heaven.
Ah! Potato here. Yes. We enjoying potato. And the bami.
Okay.
Two
bami, yeah man.
Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Alright.
Finger licking.
Alright, alright.
Tell them what it is.
Yeah man.
Yes.
Yeah man, yeah.
Yes. Oh, it's nice.
This place is excellent.
Yes. This is Grand Drug Center. Yes, Grand Drug Center. One in the world. Still going.
Yeah,
one of the best.
Right. Alright.
So we're back in the car. We have the goodies.
Yep.
Guys, we're gonna eat now. We can't eat in the drug center because one, in Jamaica you can't eat in any restaurant now. You just grab and go. And they don't really have a lot of facilities to sit and eat in this drug center. So yeah.
Alright. Yeah man, if you haven't subscribed to our channel before, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we make another post. And hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Right? Yeah man, so we got 2 quarters of jerk chicken, right?
And we got 2 different sides. We got fried sweet potato, which I absolutely love, and we got bami, which I love as well.
Yeah man. What?
So,
a 2 breast quarter. 2 breast quarter.
So
and
this is the bami right here. Hopefully that you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully let me try it closer. Yes, right there. So this is the bami. We got 2 bamis, 2 fried bamis.
Yeah man.
And
this them special sauce that they put on the chicken, right? Well, them never put on chicken, I just saw in the place, right? Yeah man, out of Scotch, made from Scotch bonnet pepper. Excellent.
And fried sweet potato. Yeah.
And see the bami here? Yeah man. Yeah. Yeah, chicken.
Thank you. So Adrian is not really a fan of fried sweet potato, but
Sweet potato overall, I don't really love it. It's kind of cloying to me. So I just kind of avoid it more time. Yeah. Yeah, so...
wait, let's say great. Lord, the best is me after about a half, not on the factory, but then all my super 13, so I sit there and pray. Amen.
Nice. Yeah, but in Jamaica, we eat jerk chicken with your hand.
Finger food.
Finger food, so ensure you wash your hand. You
They
didn't
have
see it in the video.
They have a outside pipe.
Hand washing station, yeah man.
Hand washing
And
station.
soap and everything's outside.
So I put some of the pepper on my food, so hopefully it's good. And not too overwhelming. I'm not a big fan of
This
pepper.
jerk chicken is good as always. Good as always.
Tastes good.
No problem.
Thank you.
Bami.
Tell them what is bami, babe. They might not know.
For
what
those
is
who
bami.
don't know, bami is made from cassava. So they smash the cassava to make like cassava flour, and then they put it together, make this rounded, you know, and then they fry it. We mostly eat bami in Jamaica with like fish. Yeah, but
It's good?
Great.
Very oily. So bami is one of my favorite staples. That and festival.
Yeah, so the food today is good as always right here. Grant's Jerk Center.
The pepper is nice. It's not overwhelming at all. It has a really nice flavor. That's good.
She doesn't love pepper, you know, like baby.
No, I can appreciate it, but I like to taste my food. When food full of pepper, you can't taste it. I can't taste the pepper. So, I like the right amount of pepper that can enhance the flavor, but it's shouldn't be too overwhelming. I like to savor the flavor.
Let me try. It's pretty good. It's not as sweet as a lot of them. Not true. It's not so sweet, no.
It's good. So I put jerk chicken. Two is that You tend to avoid all that fat, you know. You're just getting the taste of the chicken, of course, with the jerk aroma, which is really good. No oils, no, you know, not those stuff.
Ooh. It's so tender, you know, and soft.
Yeah.
This is chicken breast, but you know, sometimes chicken breast is really, the meat is very hard.
Dry.
But not with this at all. Very soft, no?
So this jerk top is like just on the side of the road, as you guys saw. But it's not I like normally I don't drive this side. Normally I would drive on the highway. So just right up Adrian's alley because he really traverses this area a lot more than I would. I would just take the highway. That's one of the drawbacks to taking the highway, that you miss a lot of the local activity around the highway. So you miss all that. Which
Heading to the Ochi, that is. Heading to Ochi, like from Kingston, heading to Ochi. If you take the highway, then you would have bypassed this area.
Yeah. So a lot of trucks traverse this route. So this is a good pit stop for them. So Adrian loves this place, right? I've been here before. When I was here before all this craziness started, it was like a little lunch spot for most persons who work in the area.
Yep. A lot of the persons that come here, they're in their work clothes, like they probably work at the nearby factory.
It's a good stop, I would say. It's totally not disappointing.
Just finished, then top that. Yep. So this is the area where we're at. See that bus? Charlie Mount High School bus.
And the shop is right.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're in the area, Charlie Mount.
This is the jerk center right here.
Yeah, yeah, so the bus come from a nearby school, Charlie Mount High School. Yeah. We are gonna drive out now. Yep. Where's my wife?
I don't know if you wanted one.
Wait a minute.
The chicken was really good, guys.
Yeah. A1, excellent. Yeah, man. Thank you for joining us again for another vlog. Alright, remember to hit the like button. Alright, and to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed before, and turn on your notifications, guys. Alright, peace out. Yeah, man. And remember to be safe. Alright, bye.
Bye.